رب العالمین الصلاة والسلام علی خاتم النبیین وعلی آلہ وصحبہ اجمعین اما بعد فاعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم قال اللہ تعالی فی سورة آل عمران ما كان الله ليذر المؤمنين على ما أنتم عليه حتى يميز الخبيث من الطيب وما كان الله ليطلعكم على الغيب ولكن الله يجتبي من رسله من يشاء فآمنوا بالله ورسله وإن تؤمنوا وتتقوا فلكم أجر عظيم. Translation: Allah will not leave the believers in the condition which you are now unless He separates the evil from good, and Allah is not going to reveal to you the secret knowledge of unseen, but Allah selects of His messengers whom He wills. So believe in Allah and His messengers, and if you believe and fear Him to be pious, then for you is a great reward. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the tests and difficulties have a lot of wisdom that come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and at that time the pure and the evil are separated, and the hypocrites and the true believers are separated. The true believers will be faced with these exams and tests and turbulences, but they will stay on the belief, they will stay on the truth. But however, the munafiqeen, the hypocrites, will change their direction if they see that they are losing any worldly benefits, and that's exactly what happened at the time of the battle of Uhud, that the Muslims remained steadfast and the hypocrites left and showed their hypocrisy. Some of the people said that how come Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had to put Muslims under this test, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could just give the knowledge of unseen and inform Muslims about the hypocrites. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in this ayah that this is not the sunnah, this is not the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He gives the knowledge of unseen to all the Muslims. His way is that He would give some of the knowledge that He feels appropriate to the messengers of Allah, but not to the common Muslims. And for all the Muslims, they will be tested and they will have some turbulences and some difficulties in their life, and during those tests, difficulties and turbulences, they have to be steadfast on the Iman. That's what happened at the time of Uhud, when Muslims remained steadfast and the hypocrites left Islam and they left Muslims and showed their hypocrisy. When Islam was getting popular and strong, some of the kuffar, some of the disbelievers also said the kalma, and they included among the Muslims. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought these tests, and these tests clarified that who were the hypocrites and who were the Muslims. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving a very, very important advice to all the Muslims and to all the believers, that the way of Allah is the way of Allah. But the Muslims must not be looking for the knowledge of unseen. Muslims must be concentrating on just one thing, which is the belief and the fear of Allah, to be pious. And whoever remained a believer and whoever showed the taqwa, they will get success and they will have high rewards. On the other hand, if Muslims just concentrate on the knowledge of unseen, that Allah will inform us for the worldly gains and worldly victories, they will not be given the knowledge of unseen. This is just up to Allah, and He gives that knowledge to whoever He wills, as mentioned that He gives knowledge to His messengers. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah's sunnah does not change with time, it remains the same. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Islam and open our eyes of vision. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.